Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2017 Mercedes Benz E Class. So first of all, we go to settings, onto Bluetooth, make sure Bluetooth is on, and then we're watching out at the bottom. Over to the system, you've got the easiest way is here, you've got Navi, radio, media and telephone. Alternatively, you can go to the home settings there and turn this, or even move that along like so till you get to telephone. Click telephone. There's no devices connected at the moment, so there's nobody in the car with a phone connected, so it goes straight to this menu, connect a device. So we select by clicking on there or just pressing on the top, and then start search. Click start search. It's looking for a phone. Taking its time, looking for a phone, and it's found my phone there. So we use the rotary control like so, just turn that till it's onto my phone and then click. I prefer to use the rotary control rather than this touchpad at the top because I can never quite control it. The Bluetooth pairing request 955-414, 955-414 pair. Allow contacts and favourites to sync, allow. Barry's iPhone 13 Pro connected. Let's see if we can find Mercedes Benz. There's two Mercedes Benzes there, but that's the one there, Mercedes Benz Bluetooth connected. So that's how you do that.